Buckle up for adventure, friends. Today's reading pick is Wake Up Garbage Truck, created by Stephen and Denise Plum. And if you enjoyed today's reading, please make sure you like, follow, and visit us at perfectlyplumpublishing.com for more stories and fun. Wake up, garbage truck. Time to go and play. Trash is here, it's everywhere. Let's clean the town today. Before you go, you have to know, always put on your gear. Put on your vest and all the rest. Get in the truck, let's steer. You drive around this great big town looking for places to clean. Look up, look down, look all around. There's trash throughout the street. It's on the trees, it's in the sea, easy for it to be seen. It's on the road, it's time we showed how we help and clean. You start to chuck all the trash in the truck. This world can look better if we all clean together. Hip hip hooray, you saved the day. Pack up your gear, get in and steer. It's been a long day of play. Now time for bed. You rest your head, for tomorrow is a brand new day. This story is part of the Wake Up book series Core 4 collection, which includes Wake Up Fire Truck, Wake Up Police Truck, Wake Up Delivery Truck, and Wake Up Garbage Truck, all available on Amazon today. Until next time, good night.